here's the garage that I built back in, I guess, 2010 for the sole purpose of having some place to store my cars. At the time, I only had a couple cars, and I was, building up my tools and things that I needed to work on the cars. And so, as time has gone on, I've acquired more projects, and I always need more time and more money to complete them. So, but what I want to do is invite you into my garage and show you what I have, and then maybe you can help me focus on one particular project that you'd like to see brought to back to the streets, and that's really my objective. And start enjoying driving them, and give them a new life where they can then be improved further to make them look better, drive better, all those other fun things to do. So, but financially it's very difficult to take a car to showroom condition, and that's not in a position that I'm at. So at this time I'm just going to be working on the cars and trying to bring them up to a level where they can be put back on the road and start enjoying them. And then later on, as time goes and finances come along, then I'll be able to put more investment into the vehicles. So let's go inside and take a look and see what I have. You can kind of your barn find here for you. I know what's going on there, but for you can see the first thing was a little red Blazer over there. Basically, previous owner chopped the back top off of it, so that's kind of a little fun project I've been playing with.